Hello, this is me Arpita, and right now I am in Guwahati. So today is 25th of September, and again, so welcome back to my channel. I know बहुत दिन हो गया. It was a really long gap, but major life update. I moved to Mumbai recently, and this is the first trip I'm taking and first proper vlog that I'll be doing. So I hope you guys will watch it till the end because I'm really excited for this. By now you know what this whole vlog is all about. But yeah, I am going to Arunachal to attend the Zero Music Festival this year. So at this station right now, and it is raining, and I don't have my camera and all that stuff with me, but it's raining really badly in Arunachal. So that is the Naharlagao Express, and I'll tell you the train experience in a while. But since it's raining and I'm carrying luggage with me, so first let me take you to the exit gate and then I will continue. Right now I am on my way to Zero, and this is my view behind me. So just let me catch you up since I have some time. It is almost 8:40 in the clock AM, and we just arrived in Naharlagao station, and we took the Donny Polo train, and right now we are going towards Zero. So just let me give you a very brief idea what the train experience is gonna be like. So we booked a sleeper class train. It was pathetic because I have traveled in train across the country. I have seen my worst share. I have my worst share of experience, but this was not good at all. The seats were ganda, the train timing was weird. I mean, it was definitely not something I was looking forward to, but जो भी है पहुंच गए हम इधर. I met Chiranjeev. I met him in Nagaland also, and so if you haven't seen my Nagaland vlog, then definitely do that. So yeah, the weather is very bad. See, it's very cloudy, it's raining, and it is gonna rain for the next 4 days. So yeah, I'm gonna see you in the journey. So yep, let's have some people. Drone idhar I don't think kisi ke baare mein. It is almost 11, and you can see this is the campsite behind me, and the whole area is like muddy, and I'm wearing Converse. First I'll give you the details of which company is it, theek hai, and the number and all the contact details, because I already booked trip with them in Nagaland, Hornbill ka, and these were the guys who hosted us. So last time the experience was really good, so looking forward to this coming 4 days. But you can see this is the condition of the road. So yeah, just I'm gonna kill some time and see, explore here and there, and we'll take you along. So we took the train, that is the Donny Polo Express, from Guwahati to Naharlagao, and it was a very slow train ride because it's only like 300 kilometers, but it takes like 7 hours. But the moment we arrived in the Naharlagao station, which was around 6:40ish, it started raining like really heavily. तो उधर से हम लोगों को pick up किया Chiranjeev, who is also like hosting us here in the camp, and after a 3-hour ride, basically road journey, we reached here in the campsite. So there are many camps here around here, everywhere, tents basically, and tenting, like camping, is what you should be doing, because there are like homestays also. That's also what you can opt for. So info time. What is Zero Music Festival and why you should come here? So once a year, this year it's from 26th of September to 29th of September. It's a 4 to 5 day festival of music. Like musicians all around the world, like renowned musicians, good music happens here for 4 whole days. There are a workshop, beautiful event, village hopping, paddy field hopping, then fishing and all other, you know, meeting the tribes and all that. Amazing food, amazing drink. It's a very nice vibe. So at the festival ground, like बहुत ज़्यादा चलना पड़ा because the camp that we are staying, it was like 1 kilometer away. So this feels like a very happening place right now. अभी तक तो मुझे लग रहा था अरे crowd कहाँ पे है, but I mean all the music enthusiasts, this is what I think you should be coming for, because I am not one, so pardon me if I can't give you like proper in-depth knowledge of music, but for that you should check out Soham Chatterjee's channel, because he will give you every details you need music wise to like come and visit the Zero Music Festival. So right now I'm just gonna go inside and check out क्या होने वाला है आज. Yeah, so what I'm gonna say is, as you can see that this is what I'm wearing. It's very much not at all weather appropriate because we did not measure or take precaution or did not do proper research about the weather. Usually it's never this rainy during this time, but it is. So right now I'm walking with my very new shoes on this muddy area. So carry your ponchos, umbrella, gumboots. Umbrella, I mean, that's the basic thing that you can bring, because my hair is wet and it has been since yesterday. So you see, this is the entrance, but we do not have the band with us, so they are scanning the band and then letting people in. So now we are going to the counter. We already have our tickets, already have our QR code, so we have to get a wristband for it. Jo scan karke they are letting people inside. So for that we are going in. No, we are going to the counter to get that. Yeah. Okay. For all the days, right? Okay. Thank you so much. So here is my pass. Scanning this, I'll enter the Zero Music Festival. So there, upon purchasing the passes for 3 days, 4 days, whichever, they'll give you a QR code, and once you scan it, they give you this wristband. You can then enter. We are all set to experience Zero Music Festival. So take 2. Again, we are gonna enter and scan our wristbands. I'm gonna show you how it is done. It's nothing, it's not rocket science, but but yeah, I mean, if you have proper gear, then probably they will not let you enter with those. And also alcohol, cigarettes, all those are not allowed inside. You will get it inside alag se with more price, but yeah. So this is one stage and this is the full area, but we are gonna follow the music and go to the stage जहाँ पे अभी performance हो रहा है.
Say what? Come again. What? across the globe, and she brought us all the way here to meet all of you at Zero Festival. Please give it up for Saskia Alado!
धन्यवाद।
चिट्ठी पत्रमा लेखे सजिलो चाहिँ तर आँखामा आँखाको गहिरो सम्बन्ध कसेर भन्छौ नाना तरिकामा सोच्छु हुनलाई तिम्रै नजिक तर चाहेको होइन केही बाचा मायाको मात्र पाएछु ओठ तिम्रो गुलाबी ओठ तिम्रो गुलाबी
Performance that Sushant Casey is performing, and after that we will be done with day 1. But I did not show you a lot of things, but I want to cover it in the broad daylight, so that is why I did not do it. Like there are lots of stalls here where you can eat, and mostly if you carry cash then great, otherwise there is huge network issue. Jio